Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Creative Crafts. Today we're going to be cooking up some breakfast with Play-Doh. We're going to make 2 eggs and some bacon. To make the breakfast, you need some orange Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, an extruder, top of the extruder, 1 plate, and a rolling pin. To make the eggs, take two pieces of white Play-Doh. Put it. Now roll each one out so they're smooth. Make sure they're smooth. Repeat on the other side. Now do the same thing on the other piece of Play-Doh. Make sure the edges are rounded. Now I have the egg whites. Now to make the yolks, take 2 small pieces of orange Play-Doh. Now roll those into a small ball. Now, roll them out, but not too much. Sure the edges are rounded. Now do it on the other one too. Now place them on the egg whites. The eggs are done. Now, to make the bacon, take your extruder and the top. Take half of the Play-Doh, put the rest in the can. Take this one, cut it through. And now place the rest through. And now take this part, and now bacon will come out. Don't make it too long. Take this part off. This is what they look like. Now take your plate, put the bacon on it, the eggs. Your Play-Doh breakfast is ready.